What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to Investing with Paco. Today we'll be doing a quick update on Evergrow coin. I know yesterday I did not upload a video regarding Evergrow coin since there really wasn't much of a change. Only the difference was price was dipping down and did fall under a support level. So today we'll do a quick recap to see what happened, what levels did it fall under, and currently where is the price of Evergrow is heading. So we'll be taking a quick analysis to see what we see in the chart and also let you guys know of any latest news on Evergrow coin and the team. So all that and more in this video, but before we get this video started, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the like button. I upload videos like this every single day involved in the cryptocurrency market. So if you enjoy learning about new cryptos and at the same time making money, subscribe to the channel and join the family. And with that being said, let's get this video started. So like we always do in all my videos when I give you updates, let's go and see what CoinMarketCap is saying. So far, we are up 1.43%, currently at a 2.06 trillion crypto market cap. Bitcoin is up about 1%, really not much change since yesterday. Currently up is trading right at 43,000, well, low 43,000s. Ethereum, not much change, up a percent and a half about, currently trading right around 3,300, so not much change. Binance up almost 3%, currently trading at 490. Solana down 1.43%, so not much change. We do see lots of green today, but not really much movement. There are a couple coins that are moving pretty significantly. For example, Cardano moving up 4%, currently trading $1.30. XRP, it's pretty much flat. Says almost 1%, but it's pretty much flat. Terra Luna up almost 4%. Polkadot almost up 5%. And Dogecoin, look at Dogecoin, up almost 12% for the past 24 hours. Currently is up around 22% for the past week. So I will make a separate video going over Dogecoin because there's really important information I need to talk about in the chart on Dogecoin, which will make or break Dogecoin in a short term. So stay tuned for that video. But I know today's video is about Evergrow coin. Avalanche down 1% and 1.6%, Polkadot up 1.69%, and Shiba Inu up 3.65%. So that's the global crypto market caps. Like you see here, mostly flat. There are a couple exceptions. For example, Dogecoin, massive run. Well, not a massive run, but pretty good sizable increase gain for today for obvious reasons. But like I said, I will make a video separate talking about Dogecoin. So stay tuned for that video. But now let's head into PoolCoin app and give you guys the latest price update on Evergrow coin. So currently we are trading right at 10.44. And keep in mind we are in the 15-minute candle. So each individual candle represents 15 minutes. Yesterday we were trading above the support line of around 10.0. Which we were trying to stay within this channel, but look what happened. We dipped under this and slightly dipped under this other support line of 92.51 and almost tapped the other one of 86.22, but we creeped back up and broke out of that resistance, and now we broke out of this resistance of 10.0 and currently trading right above 10.0 back into this channel that hopefully we can stay trading for the next couple of days, at least until we get more investors, and also we get Crator released to the public. We know beta testing is getting done. There's been sneak peeks, people talking about Crator. So as long as we're maintaining this channel, we should be fine. But obviously what happened here, people sold off, which caused a price decrease, which, I mean, you gotta be honest, that's what happens when you are in an open free market where there's buy and sell orders. For every seller is a buyer, for example, every buyer is a seller. And that's what happens, especially in these altcoins where people have profits, have gains, and yet they see another opportunity at some other altcoin. They will eventually sell out their bag to go and make money at a different coin. But always remember that most of these times, these whales that do that, or these people that do that, they eventually come back into a project to write it out. Because right now we're not anywhere near close their all-time high. So if they're making plenty of money, it makes sense why they're selling. But now we are also seeing Evergrow coin is implementing yet again buyback and burn, which is why we saw another green candle to the upside. That, and also people are buying the dip. So right now, in my opinion, uh, would it be a good idea to buy? Obviously, I'm not going to tell you, advise you to buy any Evergrow coin since I'm not a financial advisor. I always do these videos to entertain and education purposes only. But in my opinion, let's see where the price stabilizes. Right now, the RSI is indicating it is towards the overbought territory, so we could, in theory, experience a pullback. If we do experience a pullback, we can fall back to 10.0, which is this support line right here. And if we see it bounce once, maybe twice, we can probably say again that it might be a good support line again. And if at that it confirms that, we can in turn probably buy the dip. But honestly, this is just this don't really base your decision towards the graph, especially if you're holding long term. 9 times out of 10, people that just buy in over time eventually beat out people that are trading or people that try to price average. So just keep that in mind and just constantly try to buy the dip. If you see it's a huge discount, just go ahead and buy it. Obviously, I'm not telling you to buy. If that was my case, I would. I do tend to watch these levels because that just gives me an indicator. It's like, okay, I feel comfortable buying at this level. So that's just my opinion. Like I said, give it the rest of today and tomorrow to see what the price action will do. Really keep an eye out of this level of 10.0. If we see it touch 10.0 slightly and it bounces back up, we can almost confidently say that, okay, we will probably maintain this channel for a little bit until we get more news, or maybe Evergrow coin ends up doing more buyback and burn. Anything helps. And we're almost crossing the 130,000 holder mark for Evergrow coin, so that's also massive. Currently, we're also waiting for the next AMA. I know that from the previous AMA, which was last year, they said that they were going to release the AMA and be able to do the AMA on the Crator. So maybe that's why we haven't really heard when they're going to do an AMA. At least I haven't heard of when they're going to do the next AMA. If you know about it, comment down below and let me know. But from my idea, the last time I've heard about it is that it will be on Crator. So let's see if that actually happens. And hopefully they can continue beta testing, fixing these bugs, and try to improve more on this platform. That way, once it gets released to the public, it's super polished and super well done, where people won't feel like they waited so much time for this. Like, hopefully by the time we get it, it's like, oh my god, this is why we waited, this is exactly why we trust into the team. And that's just my opinion. Hopefully that's what happens. Now, before we end the video, let's go to twitter.com and check out Evergrow coin. By the way, follow me at Paco on Twitter. Give me a follow, and yeah, let's try to grow my followers there, because I'm trying to post. Still kind of new on Twitter. Still learning Twitter, to be honest, but we'll get there eventually. So, okay, well, I already talked about this. There's something I want to go over. Oh yeah, right here. This is from Evergrow Paul, about 11 hours ago. It says, we had a nice visit from Evergrow Sam. And then the Evergrow coin EGC Discord a couple hours ago, he dropped a little nugget of Crator dark mode. They're always listening and watching. Stay tuned for more. And right here says, okay, you can see Sam messaging. Says, sorry if you have been feeling neglected. We've been trying to add some further improvements to Crator. Currently working on dark mode after some feedback. Hoping to share this later today when our devs wake up. I'll drop in again in a few hours. Guys, have some bits and bots to do now. So we know in the back end, the team Sam are working really hard to try improve Crator. They're taking the most feedback they can. I imagine maybe someone in the beta test asked for a dark mode, because I know, for example, for me, I love platforms in dark mode, especially like if I use WEBULL, if I use TradingView, I always put it into a dark mode. I don't know, it just sets the right vibe for me, in my opinion. There's some people that are probably don't feel the same opinion, but for me, dark mode is super important for me. So comment down below is that if that's one of you guys. But I guess let's see if we get any more news regarding to this or anything else. And yeah, guys, I guess that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed my update. I'm sorry for not updating you guys yesterday on Evergrow coin. Hopefully you can understand. And yeah, guys, we'll catch you all next time. Subscribe down here. Go watch that video coming up next. Peace.